Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. May peace and blessings be upon the Holy Prophet Muhammad al-Mustafa, the mercy to mankind, and his holy progeny. Today we celebrate the birth of the 11th star of the ahlulbayt and the Prophet's progeny, Imam Hassan Al-Askari alayhi salam. An Imam who died at the young age, was martyred at the young age of 28. But in his young age he taught us a very important lesson. Imam Hassan Al-Askari alayhi salam taught us a very important hadith. He says that whoever sows goodness shall reap happiness, and whoever sows evil shall harvest regret. A very important lesson to be learned from the Imam who was martyred in his very young age, but he showed us how to live and how to maximize the potential of one's youth. And how, if you do good deeds in your youth, you will be successful for the rest of your life. Today, in modern terms, all the youth are worried about is saving for retirement. For example, having a 401k, having something to save for their retirement later on. But are they worried about their internal retirement? This is something that's very, very important for us to understand. What's more important than saving for retirement after 65 or saving for a 401k is saving for internal retirement. The retirement, we retire in Jannah. Inshallah, we all hope for Jannah. But what the Imam has said, you reap what you sow. In this life, if you work for your afterlife, you will forever live in peace. But if you love this world and you forsake the afterlife, you will forever live in regret. This is something that's very, very important for us to understand as youth, especially now. There's a story of a man who used to work with a company. He was a housemaker. As he was a housemaker, he was very, very successful. He was reaching retirement. As he reached retirement, he told his boss, I want to retire. The boss said, I'll give you one final project. Make one final house for me, and then you can retire. He says, okay, no problem. Since the man wanted to retire very quickly and go into this life and relax, he was an expert. He built the best houses in this world. The boss gave him all the tools and the company's means to make the best house, one final house. But he was in a rush. Even though he had all the tools available, he rushed and made a house that was not very good, but it was very quick. He just got the job done very quickly. As he gave the keys to the boss said, here you go. This was my gift, your retirement gift to you. Subhanallah. So this man who rushed to make this final house with all the tools available, this house was given to him as a gift, as his internal abode. Likewise, we have all the tools available in our life today. Allah has given us everything to prepare our house for Jannah, our internal abode. What are we doing today to make that house? What are we doing today to prepare for the hereafter, for our final home? Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.